Judd 25, good shooter. Johnny 15, all right hand drive is going to spin too when he drives. Okay. Cole, you got Madison, just a good scorer. When Jordan will start out on White. All right. Block him out. Block him out. Guys, it's real simple. It's real simple. Toughness. The tougher team is going to win tonight. Bottom line. Period. Shots aren't going to go in. It's going to be a rugged game. We're going to make some shots. We're going to miss some shots. They're going to have a run. We're going to have a run. The team that's going to stay together and be the toughest team, when our bench comes in, being the toughest team, not getting stretched, staying in the pack, not screwing up one time where we let a guy split us. If we don't get split, we rebound the ball and we play together and share the basketball, we're going to win the goddamn basketball game tonight, all right? Let's go. Let's go. Unselfish on 3, 1, 2, 3. Unselfish.
If it's a problem, don't let me know. Let me if it ain't. Ask questions later. Throw the deuces, sayonara till you hate it. It's a problem, don't let me know. Let me go, let it go. Let it go. It's on my mind, I need to let you know. Let your shoppers know. They the greater, let them go. Let them hear. I do ya, baby. I do ya, baby. I do ya, baby. I do ya. That's right. Talk to me. Hey, look, I don't know. Keep it cool. Act like you're grown instead of still in middle school. You really want this beef, bro? Put it back in the freezer. You'll freeze up when I pull the heat and squeeze. Put the knees up. This is not a game. This is not a test. Slow your roll, or you be late to rest. It's a problem. Don't let me know. Let me live it. Don't let it go. Let it go. It's on my mind. I need to let you know. Let your shoppers know. They the greater. Let them go. Let them hear. I do ya, baby. I do ya, baby. I do ya, baby. I do ya, baby. Yeah, I say you wet dope just to make it way right. Call them boys, set you up in broad daylight. Yeah, I bet I do you bad. 9 months later, now she screaming you're the dad. If you lose your bomb, say I never found. If I owe you guap,